Fix Brawl Stars crashing at 79% 2025 quick fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Brawl Stars crashing at 70% 79% in 2025. So first of all, you can try clear cache. So for that you have to go to your device settings and find apps or applications and locate the Brawl Stars and tap on it. Select storage and cache and tap clear cache. And the second method you can apply for is you can open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Brawl Stars. If an update is available, install it. And the third option is you can disconnect from VPN, turn off any VPN connections before launching Brawl Stars. And the fourth method to fix the problem is you can close Brawl Stars completely, including background processes, and start Brawl Stars with your internet connection turned off. When you see the Supercell logo, quick turn your internet connection back on and tap reconnect. And the other potential solutions are you can ensure no other application are running in the background that might be consuming resources. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi. And sometimes a simple restart can resolve various issues. If your device is running low on storage, it can cause performance issues. You can also check for server issues. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.